What's up guys, Parallaxox here, and today we're back with another video, and today we're starting a new series where I show you how to change parts of the part by using script. Today I'm going to show you how to use size. So I've got a part here, you can just create a part and make one, and then add a script to it, get rid of this print hello world, and I'm going to put it in a loop, which is while true do, just so it keeps on doing it so you can see it. Script.parent.size, which is okay. So script is the script, dot parent is that, and then the size is all the way down here, which is right now is 4, 1, and 2. I'm just gonna put script dot parent to size equals script dot parent dot size. And you're probably wondering, why did I just write it again? Well, I'm going to make it so it's the size of the thing plus vector 3 dot new, and then whatever you want to add. I'm just going to do 1, 1, and 1. So a vector is basically x, y, and z, which is how size is formatted. You have to have vector 3 dot new for it to work. And then I'm just going to put a wait just so it doesn't crash, because if you have no weights, it's definitely going to crash. Okay, so if we run this, the part should just keep getting bigger and bigger and bigger. See, it's getting bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. And it'll keep going forever and forever. It won't stop. But thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Later.